Hi, today we're going to do an auto head alignment on a Canon MG6150. Now this is useful for if your prints are looking fuzzy and because your printer will go over in multiple layers of the same colour ink. If you notice it kind of looking hazy around the edges, it's likely to be slightly unaligned, so this is a good process to do. Now go down the two screens and we're going to want to go into setup on the right here. Press the button directly underneath to go inside. Now we've got maintenance here, so we'll press OK to go in again. Now we're going to do auto head alignment today, but there is also the option for manual head alignment. I'd recommend doing the manual head alignment if you're unable to get results with the auto head alignment. It's more involved, it takes longer, you have to check a few bits yourself, but it's certainly worth considering. But now I'm just going to go into auto head alignment. Right, so we're going to make sure we've got some paper in there, so we can just press OK to continue. Now again, this bit will take a little while, so I'm just going to take a step back. So with the auto head alignment complete, you just press OK. And there's actually nothing you need to do. Your printer will have printed the sheet, but that's for its own reference. It's only done it single-sided despite the fact it's a duplex machine, but I'm sure there's a reason. But yeah, there's nothing you need to do. This can just go straight in the bin. And hopefully you've noticed an improvement. As I say, there is the manual head alignment, if that hasn't helped, which is a little bit more involved, but your printer will take you through it each step of the way. So I hope you found this useful. If there's anything we can help with, do let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.